Hi Parinaya,
Hi,
what are you doing?
I'm playing with my mini electronics project.
Wow, can you show us what is this? What are these?
These are batteries.
Okay, can you show me the positive side of the battery
This,
and why?
because this has a plus.
Okay, and the negative side?
This,
Why?
because this has a minus.
Okay, I can barely see that. That's fine. And can you tell me what is this?
Resistor
Okay, and what does resistor do?
that limits the current.
Okay, wonderful. And what is this?
That's a switch
And what is switch used for?
for on and off.
Okay, good. And what's inside this pink thing?
Motor
Motor. And what does motor do?
that spins the fan.
Okay, good. And can you tell me what is this board?
PCB board.
Good. And there are lights on this PCB board. What are these lights called?
LED.
Great. Can you demonstrate this for us?
Oh, okay. So we have this light thingy in this wire.
Yeah.
You can't really see it, but
Yeah.
I can see it. This is white,
Yeah.
so smooth. And light comes out
Yeah.
like this. It
Okay.
even spins, but I think so it's not.
I think the
spinning.
battery is low. Let's give it a
Yeah.
try. Yeah. Let's try to spin. Yeah, do it now.
Oh wait, I can't really see it.
Ah, yeah, that's spinning now. That's wonderful.
I
Do it
made
again.
that. I made
That's
that.
wonderful. And it was your toy, right? It was broken.
Yes, it was this pink thingy was broken. I had a doll like that, and it